This unit is intended to be installed as a multi-feed, which is alongside other units together. This is the dispenser. It goes on the countertop right here. We have the compressor and the pump. I'm going to demonstrate how to install all three of them. I'm first going to start with the dispenser. The first thing that needs to be done is we need to remove the existing cap if there's a pre-existing hole. Otherwise, you need to make your hole to start. The next we're going to do is I'm going to remove the shank, the nut from the shank. It is important to note that you do not remove the rosette. I'm now going to, after removing the shank, the nuts from the shank, it's important to note that you keep the rosette on and the O-ring in place and insert the shank through the hole in the counter. I'm now going to secure the unit in place by reattaching the nut in place. Put the wires through the nut and the O-ring here as such, ring, metal, nut, and secure it to the bottom of the dispenser. After securing the dispenser to the countertop, I'm going to attach the compressor to the bottom of the dispenser. This part is what's going to be attached to the bottom of the compressor. This is going to be connected to the pump. I'm going to connect this to the inlet pipe right here. Simply insert it and push until you'll feel it be secure. I'm going to shorten the hose from the compressor to the pump so that the unit works as efficiently as possible. Once I've shortened it, you connect the pump by inserting it in like this. This will go to the multi-feed tank, which we will install soon. We're going to connect the wires now. The wire from the sensor is connected to the compressor. It's the male from the compressor. The male from the sensor is the female to the compressor. Please insert firmly. The male from the compressor goes to the female of the pump. I'm now going to explain how to install a multi-feed tank with 3 foam dispenser units. The first thing is you install the soap into here. Not install, you place the soap in there and fasten the cap. We have 6 holes on top, which means that you can power 6 dispensers. But I'm only going to install 3, so I have these plugs to close off 3 holes which I will not be using. Once you shorten the hose so that it will fit inside the tube all the way to the bottom, insert into one. Twisting makes it a little bit easier. After you've installed the pump and the compressor and you've filled up the tank and you've connected all the tubing in the appropriate fashion, connect the power. Remove the sticker after installation. Okay? Okay. Now, once you've plugged in the power, we need to prime the soap from the dispenser, from the tank to the dispenser. This is how you prime the soap. Hold this button right here.